Hi guys! Hi guys! We're going for a trip. So Eugene is no class. It's his term break. Term break. Term break. Yeah, so go to the Port Dickson. We will go for Dickson. Huh?
Your husband crashed the car.
Oh yeah. That's
Sleeping.
last time. He's so sleepy and he almost hit the car in front. The driver is so angry. Give him a middle finger. And then the other car want to go in our lane, then you start to move. Yeah, because you don't move, then
because we are always competing to get a space.
Yeah, then the other car may be thinking, oh, he stopped, give me a
That's a
space.
society. No?
Then
We are just fighting for a chance.
oh my god, traffic for hours.
Normally it's such an easy one.
You go get.
I don't turn my light.
What happened? Traffic.
Can you see that?
No, cannot see. In stick. What's that place? K, so many K, KLIA. KLIA. Here we are, Pantai Tanjong. So low tide ngayon guys, so we can go there. Yes, may tao doon. Let's go. Gusto ko dito kasi mano yung buhangin niya. Tingnan niya. Wow, ang init. Grabe. Sobra. Eugene, you should take off your socks. Oh. Take off your socks, ha? So guys, grabe, sobrang init. Tirik ng araw. Anong oras? 5? Hindi, 4 pala. 4 p.m. So ayan ang baby. So dito yung pinakaunang napuntahan namin dito sa part ng Port Dickson. So ngayon lang ulit kami bumalik. So nandoon yung talagang beach. Kasi white beach siya dyan sa kabila. Dito is parang ano siya. Look at that guys. The sun. Portion crystals. So kita niyo yung mga bata. Oh, wow, you have your own beach. Where is this place? My beach though. So we have this guys. So we have parties. What happened? So many. So guys.
Crazy, go there.
Yeah.
This is the under the water.
Oh, really? Wow, that's nice.
What's this place?
It's a Port Dickson Beach. Oh, daddy catch a fish. Oh, that's so small. So guys, let's eat this. Nabili namin dun sa daan. Ang ganda ng color niya. Grabe, pink na pink. Dark pink. So ayan, high tide na. Ang dami ng tao. Let's eat it. Guys, let's eat nito. Ano nga ba ito? Dragon fruits. Wow, ganda ng color niya. Oh my God. Siguradong babakat sa akin. Wow. Look at that. Hindi siya ganun katinis. Pero okay na. Kumain kasi ako ng pear and then orange. So, wala na yung tamis yung bongga. Super siyang tamis. Look at that. Oh, you got a big one. Show me. Wow. Oh, this is a big one.
Good job, huh?
Good job, Daddy. If it's always like this, it's okay to bring home. Wow. Daddy, ka so big one. Good job. Wow, you got a big one. You want to bring this? No. No. It will be gonna bad. It's a oh, it's cake. Guys, we're here at Port Dickson. Swimming time. Hey, Eugene, come back here. It's a coconut. Oh.
Hello.
Guys, good morning. So, punta kami ng beach. So, nandoon lang yung hotel namin. Kalapit lang. Eugene, na baka. So, si Habi nandun na kanina. Ayan ang baby. Kaya, gusto niya mag-fishing na maaga. So, let's go. Sundan natin. So, ito is Pantai Tanjung. So, ito yung pinakauna talaga napuntahan namin dito sa Malaysia. Ayan, Pantai Tanjung. So, guys, let's go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach.
Where is the beach? Oh, that's an airplane. So, guys, nandito kami ngayon. Hindi siya ganang puntahan ng tao, pero sa kabila yung white beach, puntahan ng tao doon. Eugene, I take a picture here.
So guys, that's the beach.
Wow, there's a beach, guys. Daddy is fishing there. Ayun, nandoon na siya. Kanina pa yan. Ano kang ginagawa nito? Gumagawa siguro yan ng asin. So, tara. Ano, wala naman turtle dito. Ah, may mga tao doon, oh. Wow, lamig. Come. Come. Bye!
Yeah?
Let's go.
Finish. Don't add chores.
We're going home now. Goodbye, Port Dickson. Oh, guys. Let's go home.
I want to get some water.
Let's eat there. What's that? Higawa. The end. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like and comment down below.